Hey everyone, this is Heather from Litigation Help. I just want to show you how to change your display name before you enter a Zoom meeting. And the reason why you want to do this is because you want to preserve anonymity. So first thing you do is you sign into your Zoom account, and then you go to your home page. And this is just here an example of my own home page. So if you go to the left, you just click on the profile tab, which is just below the word home. And so once you're in the profile tab, you're going to see some of your own information. And when you scroll to your name, to the right of your name, there should be a little word edit. So just click on edit, and it's going to bring you to the next screen. And now here is where you can change your name. You can just go down, you can see right there, there's a box that says display name. So you can enter whatever name that you want your display name to be. So in my case, I'm just going to put XYZ here. And also don't forget to click the save button to save your changes. And that's pretty much it. So don't forget to change your display name back to the original if that's necessary. And we'll see you at our workshops. Thanks. Bye.